If I had to start from scratch and apply for a remote job with a UK company, here's exactly how I would do it, step by step. No passport, no UK address, just strategy. Let's begin. Step 1. Choose the right job type. Not every role is remote-friendly, and not every company hires internationally. If I were applying from Africa or outside Europe, I'd focus on these job categories: customer support, virtual assistant, social media management, content writing, sales or lead generation, junior design or web development. These roles are often open to global candidates and don't require a degree or visa, just skills and commitment. Step 2. Optimize my LinkedIn profile. Next, I'd update my LinkedIn profile to be UK ready. I'd write a clear headline like Remote Customer Support, available for UK hours, virtual assistant. I'd add a location note that says remote from Nairobi, comfortable with UK time zone. I'd use a clean, smiling photo and a short 2-sentence summary showing what I do and who I help. Why LinkedIn? Because many UK employers will check it before responding to your application. Step 3. Build a simple portfolio. Even for entry-level jobs, showing your work can make a huge difference. I'd create a simple Notion page or Google Doc with short intro list of skills, screenshots or samples of past work, even practice work, testimonials if I have them. If I don't have real work yet, I'd create samples, like a mock customer support reply, a content calendar, or a landing page redesign. Step 4. Learn the tools UK teams use before applying. I'd make sure I can confidently use the tools they work with. These often include Slack, Zoom, or Google Meet, Notion, or Trello, Google Workspace, Canva, HubSpot, or Zoho for support or sales. I don't need to master all of them. Just being familiar is enough to stand out. Step 5. Find the right job boards. Now, it's time to search smart. I wouldn't waste hours on global job boards that rarely show UK opportunities. I'd go straight to otter.com, jobgather.com, We Work Remotely, People Per Hour for freelance gigs, Europe Remotely. And I'd set alerts using keywords like UK remote, virtual, Africa accepted, or no sponsorship needed. Step 6. Write a strong, short application. When I find a role I like, I wouldn't write a long cover letter. UK employers prefer short, direct messages. Here's what I'd write. Hi, I'm a virtual assistant with 2 years of experience supporting marketing teams. I'm based in Nairobi and fully available to work UK business hours. I've attached a sample content calendar and link to my portfolio. I'd love to support your team. That's it. Direct, relevant, and clear. I'd attach my portfolio, link to LinkedIn, and keep everything professional. Step 7. Engage in the UK remote community. Even while applying, I'd network in parallel. I'd join Facebook groups for UK remote jobs, Reddit forums like r/remote jobs, r/UK jobs, r/digital nomad. I'd follow UK founders and recruiters on LinkedIn. I'd comment, share useful posts, and ask questions. Sometimes one connection can open a door faster than 20 applications. Step 8. Stay consistent and track everything. Finally, I'd treat my job search like a part-time job. Apply to 5 to 10 jobs a day. Update my portfolio every week. Learn a new tool every month. Follow up on past applications. I'd also keep a simple Google Sheet to track. Job title, company. Date applied, status, follow-up date. This helps avoid missed chances and shows me where to improve. Closing words. That's exactly how I'd apply for a remote job with a UK company from outside Europe. No visa, no passport. Just focus, consistency, and the right strategy. You can absolutely do this too.
If this helped you, give the video a like. It helps more people discover these resources. And if you're ready to land your first remote job with a European company, subscribe to Remote Hustle Europe. We drop weekly content on how to earn in euros, work internationally, and live life on your own terms from anywhere in the world. See you in the next video.